Alright, well, today's unboxing video is what we have. Let's see if I can set this phone somewhere nice and straight so I can record what I'm doing here. Alright, so here's what I ended up ordering. I ordered my own, basically, I'll show you. God damn. Right. Yep, I ordered my own copper bars. And yeah, that's how they look basically. So they're an inch and a half inch wide, a half inch thick, and 36 inches long, so 3 feet. So what I'm gonna do my own little project. I mean, these things are very expensive, you know. So I ended up just getting, you know, I'm just gonna do my own, drill the holes, tap the holes, so do my own bolts everywhere. I just gotta figure out where. I got a machine at work, so I'm gonna do the work to it. So, I mean, like I said, here's how thick that is. So I'm for sure gonna get more than one. I mean, 3 or 4 threads in there. So I'll get enough threads so eventually, somewhere along the line, keep on going. On focus. I keep on screwing and unscrewing. It won't strip because I have more than enough threads in there. So this is my unboxing for today.